talk and learn.
Whoops! I'd better hurry.
Running a little late, Festus?
Sorry!
Hi, Susan. Hey, Festus. Come on. Everyone's waiting in the auditorium.
Where is everyone?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Alphabet song, that's right, we're playing it. And the alphabet, soon you'll be saying it. Say the letters along with me. You can learn your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that you've heard this alphabet song, let's go a little faster while you sing along. Sing along with the happening beat while you're learning your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right, don't you just love that new alphabet song? Look at these big letters. They're called capital letters or uppercase letters. We use them at the beginning of some important words and at the beginning of sentences.
And these smaller letters are called lowercase letters. You'll see them most often when you are reading.
I know the alphabet, Brad, but how does knowing the alphabet help me learn to read?
I'll tell you how, Festus. First, we'll learn the sounds that the letters can make. Let's go through some of them right now. A, apple. Apple. B, bug. Bug. C, cat. Cat. D, dog. Dog. E, egg. Egg. F, fan. Fan. G, gum. Gum. H, hat. Hat. I, igloo. Igloo. J, jet. Jet. K, kid. Kid. L, log. Log. M, mug. Mug. N, nut. Nut. O, octopus. Octopus. P, pig. Pig. Q, quilt.
quilt. R, rat. Rat. S, sun. Sun. T, top. Top. U, umbrella. Umbrella. V, van. Van. W, wagon. Wagon. X, at the end of the word fox. Fox. Y, yak. Yak. Z, zoo. Zoo.
Now, let's play a game. See if you can say the sound of each letter before I do. To make the game fun, we've mixed up the letters.
I like playing this game over and over. The more I play, the better I get.
C, cat. P, pig. A, apple. G, gum. H, hat. B, bug. I, igloo. T, top. D, dog. R, rat. S, sun. J, jet. O, octopus. W, wagon. K, kid. V, van. M, mug. L, log. N, nut. F, fan. Y, yak. E, egg. X, at the end of the word fox. U, umbrella. Q, followed by U. Quilt. Z. Zoo.
Great job!
I noticed that you made some of the sounds really fast. Next time you practice, see if you can say even more of the sounds before Brad.
That's a good way to practice, Susan. Hey, I heard that you and Eric have another fun way to practice letter sounds.
We sure do. Come this way.
Oh boy, I can hardly wait. Learning letter sounds is fun.
And now it's time for Name That Letter. I'm your host, Eric. Are you ready to play? Good. Here's how it works. Susan will read a sentence. Listen to the sounds in the words, then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the clock runs out. Susan, let's read the first sentence.
Okay, ready? An alligator and an ant added apples.
Did you figure it out? The sound you heard most, is made by the letter A. The answer is A. Let's do some more, Susan.
Jolly jellyfish jump for joy. The answer is J. Cute, cuddly cats crunch cucumbers. The answer is C. Zany zebras zigzag at the zoo. The answer is Z. Nice nanny goats never noticed new neon necklaces. The answer is N. Darling dogs dance daintily in the daisies. The answer is D. Impolite insects ignore icky inchworms. The answer is I. Bouncing boys break beds before bedtime. The answer is B.
We'll be right back after a word from our sponsors.
Hi.
Okay, that's your word. Now, back to Name That Letter. Susan, next sentence, please.
Kind kangaroos kiss koalas. The answer is K. Eddie enjoys extra eggs every morning. The answer is E. Many monkeys make mailmen mad. The answer is M. Two turtles toppled 20 tulips. The answer is T. Funny Freddy fried 5 fish for food. The answer is F. Hungry horses hate having hiccups. The answer is H. Polly Porcupine pokes people. The answer is P. Volcanoes vibrate very vocal vultures. The answer is V. 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 Sweaty socks sometimes smell stinky. The answer is S. 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 Your yellow yams are yummy. The answer is Y. 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 Ollie Octopus often eats olives. The answer is O. Grumpy gorillas grab gorgeous girls. The answer is G. 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 Rough rats run rowdy races. The answer is R. Ugly umbrellas unexpectedly open up. The answer is U. Lovely lions leap over lazy leopards. The answer is L. Willie watches Wilma Walrus walk wonderfully. The answer is W.
And now for the bonus round! These letters are a little harder to guess, but I know you can do it. Susan, the bonus sentences, please.
Quaint queens quietly quit quilting. The answer is Q. Q is usually followed by the letter U. Together, Q and U make the sound qu, qu, qu. The fox will fix box 6. The answer is X. X, X, X. X usually comes in the middle or at the end of a word. If X starts a word, it makes a Z sound, like in the word xylophone.
All right! That was fun. Remember, you can play again as many times as you like. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for playing Name That Letter!
Some of our contestants will receive Rock and Learn Phonics, the best way to learn more about letters and the sounds they make, and Rock and Learn math programs. Rock and Learn, videos, music, and apps for fun learning.
We have learned that H makes the H sound, as in hat. A makes the A sound, as in apple. And D makes the D sound, as in dog. If we put them all together, we say H, A, D. H, A, D. H, ad, had.
I think I get the idea. Can we practice a few more?
Sure.
I'll break the words down into their letter sounds. Then you blend the sounds together to read the word. Ready?
Sure, this will be fun.
Ah,
Cap,
ah,
top. Hey, this word has the same letters as the last word.
it sure does. But the letters and sounds are in a different order. Listen. P, ah.
Pot. You're right, that is different.
And if we change only the beginning sound, we can change this word to ah.
Not. Let's do some more.
D, I, g,
Dig,
I, g.
fig. Those two were easy because only the first letter changed.
That's right, Chip. Those words are called rhyming words. Only the beginning sounds change. Can you think of another word that rhymes with dig and fig that is a farm animal?
Pig.
Right. And what letter makes the sound you hear at the beginning of pig?
The letter P.
Great! Let's sound out a few more.
Hum.
D.
Mud.
J. Eh. T.
Jet.
Eh.
Pet.
Great job! As you get more practice sounding words out, you can read them a little faster without having to sound out each letter.
Let's try reading some more simple words.
A. An. As. At. B. Bus. Bed. Big. C. Cup. Cut. Can. D. Dip. Dug. Dad. E. Egg. Ed. F. Fit.
Okay, very funny. You can start again.
R. Run. Red. Ran. S. Sun. Sit. Sad. T. 10. Top. Tag. U. Us. Up. V. Vet. Van. That. W. Wet. Win. Wag. X. Mix. Box. Fix. Y. Yet. Yes. Yam. Z. Zip. Zig. Zag.
Some words are short, some words are long. Put the sounds together and read along.
You can sound out words in this song. Keep practicing and you can't go wrong.
Yeah!
Ooh, S. Bless. Br, at. Brat.
Cool. App. Clap. Cr. App. Crab.
D, up. Drop. F, a, g. Flag. F, a, g. Frog. You're doing good.
You're doing fine.
Let's read these words.
And stay in time.
Glass. Glass.
Ass. Grass.
Plum. Plum. Int. Print.
Ip. Skip. Slip. Slip.
Smog. Smog.
You know the sounds that you will need.
Keep practicing and learn to read.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Snap. Snap.
Spin. Trap.
Spool it. Split.
Stir. Strum.
Put letters together and you can read.
Come on now, say these words with me.
Duck. Soft. Soft.
Wolf. Elf. Ilk. Milk.
Elm.
Up. Gulp.
Quilt. Quilt.
Look at the screen and read some more.
You're reading better than ever before.
Yeah!
Lamp.
And. Hand.
Unk. Honk.
Int. Hint.
Desk. Desk.
Best. Best. Let's play a game.
Did somebody say game?
That's right, Chip. First, I'll say a word. Then, I'll break it up. See if you can spell the word I say. These words might seem a little tricky at first because they have at least 2 consonants that are blended together. Listen carefully to the sounds in each word. I know you can do this. Here's the first word. Ant. Ant.
A-N-T. Ant.
Ask. Ask.
A-S-K. Ask.
Elk. Elk.
E-L-K. Elk.
Those were pretty easy. Let's see if you can get these words. Left. O-Eft.
L-E-F-T. Left.
Help. Up.
H-E-L-P. Help.
Golf. G-O-L-F. G-O-L-F. Golf. Last. O-ast. L-A-S-T. Last. Lost. O-ost. L-O-S-T. Lost. Notice that just the middle sound changed between o-ast, last, and o-ost, lost.
Yeah, that's why I only had to change the middle letter when I spelled it. Let's do some more.
Melt. M-E-Lt. M-E-L-T. Melt. Sand. S-E-N-D. S-E-N-D. Sand. Kept. K-E-P-T. K-E-P-T. Kept. See if you notice anything different about these next two. Swim.
S-W-I-M. Swim.
Drum.
D-R-U-M. Drum. I know what's different. These words have the blends at the beginning.
You've got it. Now, let's see if you can spell the words in our bonus round. Stomp. St-a-mp.
S-T-O-M-P. Stomp.
Super! Try this one. Quack. Quack. I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter Q.
Oh, I've got it now. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack.
Great job! When you have time, practice spelling other words with your friends.
Do you have any more games to play?
Yeah, I want to play a game.
Okay, I have a game. Why don't you and Festus both play this one, Chip? It's called Swap the Sounds.
Oh boy, Susan.
This'll be fun.
To play this game, you need to listen carefully. First, I will read the word on the screen. Next, I'll think of another word and give you a clue. Push the button in front of you as soon as you know the sounds that need to be swapped to make the new word. Ready? The first word is trip. What sounds do you need to swap to get a word for what you do with a coin to decide who goes first? Festus?
You have to swap the TR sound for the FL full sound.
That's right. Swapping TR in trip for FL would make it flip, which is what you do with a coin to decide who goes first. You get 2 points, Festus.
Yippee! This is fun!
The next word is test. What sound do you need to swap to make a word for something you should get plenty of the night before a test? Chip?
You have to swap the T for R.
You are correct. Swapping the T in test for an R makes the word rest. Everyone needs plenty of rest the night before a test. Now you each have 2 points. The next word is crop. What sounds do you need to swap to get a word that is what you should do when a green light turns red? Festus?
You have to swap the CR for ST.
Great job! You realized that we needed to change out the beginning blends. Swapping CR for ST makes crop into stop. That's 2 more points for you, Festus. The score is 4-2. The next word is bump. What sound do you need to swap to get a word that is something you might do with a rope during recess? Chip?
You have to swap the B for the J.
Fantastic! Swapping the B in bump for a J makes the word jump. 2 more points for you, Chip. That ties the score, 4-4. This one is a little tricky. Are you ready? The next word is twist. What sounds could you swap to get a word that you would use in this sentence? I need to make a grocery blank for my trip to the store.
Ooh, I know! You need to make a grocery list!
I'm sorry, Festus. You need to push the button before you answer.
Sorry!
Chip, do you know what sounds you need to swap in the word twist?
Swap TW for L. Oh,
Way to go! Swapping the TW for an L turns the word twist into the word list. 2 more points for Chip. That makes the score 6-4.
Ooh, I'd better get the next one!
Be ready to buzz in. The next word is block. What sound do you need to change to make a word that is something you might do with a key to a door? Festus?
All you have to do is get rid of the B sound.
Excellent! By taking away the B, you turn block into lock. Now you each have 6 points. We have a tied score once more. What is it, Festus?
You change score into more by changing SC into M.
That's right, Festus. But I can't give you any points. That wasn't one of the questions.
Aw! Sorry!
Now it's time for the double round. I'm going to give you a word. Then I'll give you 2 clues for 2 other words I'm thinking of. Ready? Here's our double word. Junk. What sounds do you need to change to get 2 words for a smelly animal that made a stinky smell? Festus?
Just change the J to SK. And then swap the other J for ST to make a skunk that stunk.
Super! Double the 2 points brings your score to 10, Festus. You're on a roll today.
I'm on a roll? Okay. Does that mean I win?
Not so fast. We still have the bonus round. The bonus question is worth 6 points. This one is a little different from the others, but I think you can get it. The word for the bonus round is quack. What sound do you need to change to get a word that means fast? Chip?
swap the A, for an I.
Amazing! You swapped the middle sound to change quack into quick. That makes the final score 12-10. Chip, you win!
Learning new things makes everyone a winner.
That's right, Chip. I really enjoyed playing Swap the Sounds because it gave me more practice learning my letter sounds.
Not all words can be sounded out. A few you will just have to memorize.
Let's read some of these words with our good friend WordBot. WordBot. First, WordBot will show you a word. Then, you can say the word and spell it with Susan. Say the word with Susan again to be sure it gets into your memory banks. With practice, you'll be able to read the words before Susan.
The. T-H-E. The. Of. O-F. Of. For. F-O-R. For. C. S-E-E. C. Go. G-O. Go. To. T-O. To. Them. T-H-E-M. T-H-A-T. That. U. Y-O-U. U. Is. I-S. Is. Has. H-A-S. Has. Then. T-H-E-N. Then. This. T-H-I-S. This. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Do. D-O. Do. Was. W-A-S. Was. My. M-Y. My. From. F-R-O-M. From. You have already learned to read words. Now let's read words that have been put together to make a sentence. No, really, it's easy. Come on, let's read these sentences together.
This'll be fun because each group of sentences tells a short story.
First, you will see a sentence on the screen.
While the music is playing, try to read the sentence before me. Then, read the sentence again with me.
A frog sat on a log. The log was in a pond. The frog can jump. The frog is off the log. A cat slept on a mat. A dog sat on the cat. The cat ran from the dog. The dog slept on the mat. I can clap. You can snap. Dad can tap the drum.
Yo, everybody, you're doing great, so just keep on reading, don't hesitate. Yeah!
Bob will rap. I ran fast. I fell. I cut my leg. Jan got help. I can kick a can. The can will spin. Then the can will stop. Did you see the duck? See it swim in the pond. It will quack. The dog was lost. I will lift the quilt. The dog will jump up. The dog will lick my hand. Bob can see the ant run. The ant ran fast. Bob will ask Nan to see the ant. Nan and Bob will see it run. Mom can run. Dad can jog. I will skip fast.
Congratulations, you're reading! If you had any trouble reading on your own, use this program again and again. The more you practice, the better you get. And soon, you will become a super reader!